The national insurance phone scam you need to watch out for. According to an article in the recent Bournemouth Echo, lots and lots of people are being scammed, and I'm coming across more and more people who are getting dodgy phone calls. Fraudsters are phoning people up claiming that your national insurance number has been compromised. In this video, I'll explain how to identify the latest phone scam and what you can do to protect yourself and your loved ones. Now, we've all heard of stories of people who have become victims to scams, and they're not always people you would expect. A guest on my podcast last year, that's the Retirement Cafe podcast, but my guest, Professor Keith Brown, shared his personal story of how fraud hit his family. And what's fascinating about this story is that Professor Brown sits on the Department of Health Adult Safeguarding Advisory Board. And he also leads the national research into financial fraud and scams. But his own mother became a victim of fraud, and he was unable to do anything to stop it. So we all need to be vigilant and cautious of any suspicious phone calls. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King, and my aim is to help people live successful lives. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button to help more people like you find my channel. So, what's the scam all about? A growing number of people are reporting an automated phone call which states that their national insurance number has been compromised. The recipients are then instructed to press one on their handset to be connected to the caller, which will allegedly fix the problem and even mean you're issued with a new national insurance number. But if you press 1, this can lead to the fraudsters gaining control of your personal details, which could have terrible, terrible consequences. According to Action Fraud's advice is to never, ever share any personal details over the phone with someone who calls you out of the blue, as it could well be a scam. They say that even confirming personal details such as your email address, your date of birth, or your mother's maiden name can be used by criminals to commit fraud. So if you have any doubts about what has been asked of you by someone you don't know, just hang up the phone. No legitimate organization will rush or pressurize you. But in that moment, when you receive an unexpected phone call or a text message or an email that asks for your personal or financial details, what should you do? Well, Action Fraud's advice is to follow their 3-step mantra. Number 1, stop. Take a moment and stop and think before parting with any money or information could keep you safe. Challenge it. Could it be fake? It's okay to reject or refuse or ignore any requests. Only criminals will try to rush or panic you. And number 3, protect. If you have provided personal details to someone over the phone and you now believe it to be a scam or even could be a scam, contact your bank, your building society, your credit card company immediately and report it to Action Fraud. You can report a scam to Action Fraud on their website, which is www.actionfraud.police.gov, or by calling 0300 123 2040. If you've received a suspicious phone call, you can also help the HMRC's investigation team by sending an email with your phone number, the caller's phone number, the date and time of the call, and a brief description of the incident to phishing@hmrc.gov.uk. I hope you found this useful. Hopefully it'll protect your loved ones. Please share it. If you like it, please hit the subscribe button, and more people like you can find information like this. So this is Justin King, helping you live your best life possible, and I look forward to talking again with you soon.